This is Wing It, and Wing It is out now on Google Play and Game Jolt, so go ahead and buy it, will ya? But while you're waiting for it to install, why don't you go ahead and listen to how I developed it. Now if you're new, Wing It is the indie mobile game I've been developing in Unity for the past 3 months. I've made 3 other devlogs on the game, so if you like this one, you can go ahead and check those out too. But otherwise, you probably already know how Wing It works, so I won't explain it to you again. Since the last week of development wasn't very eventful, I was mostly just waiting for the game to be accepted by Google Play, I'll just talk about the second to last week, since that's when I made actual changes to the game. Oh, and before I begin, don't forget to buy Wing It on Google Play. It's free, and it's only $1 on Game Jolt if you want the ad-free PC version. And since I was kinda on the fence about whether or not to make this devlog, I didn't really record much footage of me doing these changes in development, so expect to see a lot of footage I collected for the trailer. Sorry about that. Today's Monday, and the UI for the game kinda looks absolutely hideous, so I do want to remake the menus. I don't like very wordy UI, and I think icons could definitely be a lot easier to understand in this case. So I spent some time drawing some icons for the different scenes in the game. Of course, I kept words for the title, obviously, and also in the settings menu, where you probably need to know what those options do. The new UI is definitely an improvement, and it doesn't look so bad on phones. Today is Tuesday, and I designed an about page for the game and a tutorial. The about page for the game is pretty simple. I added a trademark and a copyright, and I put a link to my YouTube, which you don't need, obviously, and my Game Jolt, which you might need if you're playing on Google Play, if you want to shill out some money for the PC version. The tutorial was a similar deal, except I just talked about the premise of the game and also how to control Cupid. I didn't mention combos or any of the advanced techniques, since you can see those in the shop descriptions. Today's Wednesday, and today I wanted to add a few more skins into the game. I didn't really have any cinematic universe I was going for, so I just kind of added random things, and a few callbacks to some of my other games, like Colorolock with the purple ghost. Other than that, I didn't really get much done today. Today's Thursday, and today I did some playtesting for the game. I had my family and friends playtest it because I can't afford actual testing. I mean, who do you think I am? I also made some promotional images for the game to put on Game Jolt. Today's Friday, and I decided to start on the trailer today, so I went ahead and built the game for the final time. I mostly spent Friday collecting footage for the trailer and beginning with the editing. I would finish it on Saturday and go ahead and post it. And that's pretty much the last week of Wing It development. It wasn't very exciting, but I tried to wind things down as we went along. The last thing I want is to, cram in the last week and then lose features like, well, I guess I actually did lose features. That's the main reason I don't have ads in the game yet, and I don't have arenas either. Okay, so maybe I lost a couple features. But all in all, it was pretty productive, I'd say. So, yeah, go ahead and buy the game. Bye.